Guys, here we are at the Chadar trek. Chadar literally means river which is filled with ice. This is freezing zone. Is Vipul. Vipul, say something. How did you manage your last night?
It went quite good. I had a sound sleep. I'm comfortable now.
Guys, to tell you more, the temperature runs down to -25 during night, -15 during day. You can see this Chadar formation. I'll get a little closer. I cannot go far more because it might crack down. So you can see the river flowing down. The river is flowing. Along with that, there is a Chadar formation. Here we have got a couple of guys coming in. How was your last night?
Good. Not bad. Not bad. I think we are acclimatized now.
How about Sebastian yourself?
Yep, it was good. It was not as cold as the previous night, and had a nice sleep till early morning.
Okay.
Chadar formation is.
Hi guys. Now we see this is very slippery, and this is completely full of ice. So you'll see how my friends are walking on the ice. It's very slippery. I'll take you around till they come closer. And if you see the river is at its best. See the river. Now my friends have come closer. How they are walking, I'll show you. It's slippery all around. काशी, ये पकड़ सकते हो थोड़ा, पकड़ इसमें डाल के लेकर आ जाओ, इसमें डाल दो. This is me walking all down the lane. So at times you will find this whole river is completely frozen, almost a width of 70 feet. We came across a place where the width was 70 feet and it was completely frozen. Also we came across a place where it was just not more than 6-7 feet. That was also completely frozen. Just now we passed a temple whereby we were welcomed. We are reaching a village called Nerak. That will be our destination, where we will stay tonight and then we will return back. To tell you more about our group, we are 6 of us. Thing called Babaji Ka Thullu. Now here we go. Take a close look of what is this. Isn't this marvelous? This is a waterfall. This is a waterfall. It's amazingly beautiful. It's amazingly beautiful. I had seen this clips, you know, in YouTube or somewhere, but right now I feel I'm blessed. I'm blessed that I have come here. मैं 1 2 3 बोलूंगा तो बोलना बाबा जी का ठुल्लू, ठीक है? Kapil, this is for you. We were in Chadar Trek and we taught these guys something that you need to listen. 1 2 3.
Bubble